Hey everyone, this is Hassan, and today I would like to share with you how you're going to fill and sign your documents using your smartphone. So, first of all, I'm going to head over to my Play Store to show you the application. So, I'm going to try searching for fill and sign app. So, here it is, this one. I have already installed the application, and for the iPhone users, I'm going to tell you that you go and try it on App Store. Maybe the application is available for you, but I don't know because I'm not using iOS. So I'm going to open it up. Right, so here is the interface of the application. So as you can see, you can select a form to fill out, maybe from PDF file or from photo library, or you can take a picture of the document that you want to fill out. All right, so when you download this application, they are going to give you a sample form which you're going to try filling out. Okay, I'm going to open it up. Then, so as you can see, the above four icons here, they are useful. So this one, the three dot, is for the health guide, and the second one, this one, is for sharing your documents after you have filled it out. So this one, maybe you can say this one is for creating signature. So we're going to create a signature to add it to add. So so I'm going to click on it and put it like this, as you can see. Okay, so for the name, here you can fill out this form in order for you to easy I think fill out the form. And so this one is for your information. You can fill it out like full name. Let me write Hassan Gidado. Let me click on done. So whenever I try to write, okay, whenever I want to write something like, you see. So thank you for watching this video, and if you find it helpful, please consider